Hey there, feline lovers! Welcome to our channel where we celebrate all things cats. In today's video, we're going to explore the age-old debate of cats versus dogs. And let me tell you, we're going to prove once and for all that cats are better than dogs. So, buckle up and get ready for some pawsome reasons. Reason number 1, cats are low maintenance. Let's start with the obvious one, cats are low maintenance. Unlike dogs, they don't need to be taken for walks, they don't need constant attention. And they're perfectly content with just lounging around all day. So, if you're a busy person who wants a pet that won't demand too much of your time, a cat is the way to go. Reason number 2, cats are independent. Another great thing about cats is that they're independent creatures. They don't need constant attention or validation from their owners like dogs do. They're perfectly content with their own company and will only come to you when they want something, like food or cuddles. Reason number 3, cats are clean. Have you ever seen a cat groom itself? It's a thing of beauty. Cats are incredibly clean animals and spend a significant amount of their day grooming themselves. They also bury their waste in a litter box, which means you don't have to worry about taking them outside to do their business. Reason number 4, cats are quiet. Dogs are notorious for barking at every little thing that moves. But cats? They're as quiet as a mouse, pun intended. They rarely make any noise unless they want something or are in distress. So, if you live in an apartment building or have neighbors who are sensitive to noise, a cat is the perfect pet for you. Reason number 5, cats are great for your mental health. Studies have shown that owning a cat can have numerous mental health benefits. They can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Plus, their purring has been known to have a calming effect on their owners. Reason number 6, cats are great hunters. Cats are natural hunters and have been bred for this purpose for thousands of years. Even if you have an indoor cat, they'll still exhibit their hunting instincts by chasing after toys or imaginary prey. Plus, if you have a mouse problem in your house, your cat will take care of it in no time. Reason number 7, cats are affectionate. Contrary to popular belief, cats are incredibly affectionate creatures. They may not show it in the same way that dogs do, but they have their own unique ways of showing love and affection to their owners. From headbutting to kneading, cats have numerous ways of showing their love. Reason number 8, cats are great companions for introverts. Are you an introvert who loves spending time alone? Well, cats are the perfect companions for you. They're quiet, independent, and won't demand too much of your time or attention. Reason number 9, cats are adaptable. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, cats are incredibly adaptable creatures. They can thrive in any environment as long as they have food, water, and a litter box. Reason number 10, cats are just plain cool. Let's face it, cats are just plain cool. They're mysterious, elegant, and have an air of sophistication about them that dogs just can't match. From their sleek fur to their piercing eyes, cats are definitely the cooler pet. Conclusion. Well, there you have it, 10 reasons why cats are better than dogs. Of course, we're not saying that dogs aren't great pets too, they definitely have their own unique qualities. But when it comes down to it, cats are the superior pet. So, if you're thinking about getting a pet and can't decide between a cat and a dog, we hope this video has helped you make up your mind. Thanks for watching.